Welcome to Readers Theater. Students in the Extended Year Summer Reading Program at Michael C. Riley Elementary School are up on stage performing by reading aloud books to families and friends.
The reason that we did the Readers Theater is we felt like it would give students the opportunity to have more experience reading out loud and practicing a play, so doing words that they maybe not do over and over again until they become more fluent readers.
Rising 2nd through 4th graders took to the stage reading several short stories.
It was called The Little Red Hen, and it told us about how you should help people when they need help.
It was about a little red hen that was a very hard worker, and then at the end that her her friends didn't get to eat the bread.
The Lost Kitten, and it was about we found a kitten and then we had to give it away to the owners, and then at the end of the book we got 2 kittens for both of us.
During the performances, some of the students wore costumes and used props as they read.
I hope that the students are able to look at a play differently and maybe acknowledge like, oh, there's all the parts, and watching a movie even thinking about how much goes into it and then how much reading you actually have to do to be able to do all of those if you wanted to do a big movie or anything like that, and just really the love of reading, continuing to grow that love of reading.
I have to eat grass all day.
The students had lots of fun performing their books, and this activity really makes them want to read more.
Reading is fun because it makes me know more stuff about what I'm reading about.
That they're funny or like they have some special features in them.
The 14-day Extended Year Summer Reading Program ends today. It was offered to several Rising 1st through Rising 6th grade students at elementary schools across the district. At Michael C. Riley Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.